Hi, I am Alex Eagle, the Master of Runes. I will ask the runes what you can do to achieve your current goal or solve your current problem. Also, in the end of the video, I'll give you a personal rune for your success and I will tell you how you can use it. Keep in mind this is general reading, so not everything will resonate personally with you. Now, what this reading is about? This reading is about your path, your goal, your understanding of where are you moving in your life, and what are your next steps. What is your global goal and the global direction of your destiny? Now, what do you actually want? You want more purpose, more strength and more clarity in your life. And you are willing to sacrifice pleasures for that. It's a very strong position that will definitely bring you towards truth and power. Being able to resist desires and pleasures, that's what makes you strong. That's what defines you, your willpower. That's what makes you into your warrior. Now, how do you achieve what do you want? The advice from the runes is to socialize, to pay attention to the social energies, to your intellectual abilities, to your intellectual communications with other people, to your ability to work with other people in a group. The general idea is that together people are stronger and more efficient than by alone. So also combining your desire for clarity and self-sacrifice, it's a very powerful, social, constructive energy in itself. And the rune for your success, the rune for your success is the rune Eivas, rune of transformation. It is the rune, it is this energy that allows you to transform yourself with your own effort, transform your external circumstances, your life circumstances, and your inner world by applying effort, by working on things, and by developing yourself. So the general message for you is to focus on your path, focus on what direction your life is moving towards, either on the scale of your life or in the scale of some kind of a process or a problem that you are currently working on. Try to focus on clarity and don't distract so much on pleasures. Think how you can include the social energy of interaction and working with other people towards a goal, how it can benefit you, and also what things in yourself you should transform, improve to achieve your goal faster and better. Also, use this rune symbol directly by drawing it on your body or visualizing it. Thank you for your attention.